AI is not taking your job, it is taking your ego. You saw the demo. You typed in a prompt, and 5 seconds later, the code was there.
Perfect syntax, documented, optimized.
At a level that you sweated blood for years to achieve at university or over tutorials.
And in that moment, you didn't feel impressed.
You felt a cold, empty drop in your stomach.
Is this all I was? Am I replaceable?
Welcome to the age of identity crisis.
Your fear is real, but the reason is wrong.
You are not afraid of starting. You are afraid of ceasing to be the wizard. Until now, you were the chosen one who spoke the language of machines. This gave you your self-esteem. But now the machine speaks human, and the magic has become a commodity. But let me wake you up. You have been living in a delusion. You thought your job was to write code.
That you are a syntax translating machine that translates human needs into Python or Java.
If this is your identity, then yes, you are dead, because the machine translates better.
But the truth is, coding was never your real job.
Coding was just the byproduct of thinking.
Your real job is problem solving,
Understanding, empathy. AI can generate a perfect application.
But do you know what it can't do?
It can't ask the client, but are you sure this is what you need? It doesn't feel that the user interface will be frustrating for grandmothers.
It doesn't know what ethics is, what beautiful is, and what pain is. AI is a Ferrari, but without a steering wheel.
And you, until now, you were the engine. From now on, you are the driver.
This is not a demotion. This is a promotion.
The era of the coder is over.
and the era of the digital philosophers has begun.
Those who solve not the how, Copilot does that, but the why and the what.
Don't mourn the syntax.
Syntax was just the hammer, but you are the architect. Your value is no longer in how fast you type,
but in how deeply you understand human nature. The world of machines belongs to logic,
but the world of humans belongs to emotions.
And as long as humans use software, you will be needed, not as a typist, but as an interpreter between man and machine.
Raise your head.
AI didn't take your power.
It multiplied it.
You only become obsolete if you cling to the hammer while we are already cutting with lasers.
Let go of the coder.
And welcome the architect.
If this message resonated, like this video, subscribe for the next episode in the series, and share your commitment to creation in the comments below.